everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to come on here and talk quickly about something that I'm going to be trying in the kitchen, and it has to do with my cast iron skillet. So I currently have 2 cast iron skillets, and every time I use them I at least rinse them out unless I'm making something that's not going to stick. Typically it's Jiffy cornbread that doesn't stick, but lately I've been trying to make my own cornbread with my own mix, and it stuck a little bit or left a lot of crumbs. So with that being said, I was about to clean it at the sink and realized that I've been wanting to try to make my own cast iron kit, kind of per se, for a little while. So today I'm taking the time to do that. And the kit that I'm talking about is simply a cut up old t-shirt that has very minimal lint on it. It's 100% cotton, and I'm gonna cut up strips of it or chunks of it to use to season the skillet after I rinse it out and after it's dry. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Just cutting off the sleeves of an old t-shirt that I have paint and stuff on. Of course the parts that I'm cutting off don't have paint on them, but I'm gonna cut off the sleeves and put them in a Ziploc bag to keep in our junk drawer next to our stove, so that whenever I dry off the cast iron, I don't have to use a paper towel that leaves behind kind of peeled up paper towel residue when I'm trying to season the cast iron before I store it. So come along, let's make a kit. What I've been using for seasoning the cast iron is the coconut oil. This is just organic, virgin, cold pressed and unrefined coconut oil, and I just get a big thing of it at Sam's Club. So this has been working really well. Just put a light coat on there. I'm hoping that with these old t-shirts that I don't get the lint and paper towel residue that I've been getting on here when I wipe it out. Here, I'll just show you. Usually when I wipe this out, it will get like a, this one's not washed yet, but I just wanted to see if it would come off on here so I can show you what I mean by that. Of course, now it's not gonna do it because I'm trying to show you. Let me rub it really good. See if it'll start to come off. See? See how that paper towel pills up? And then it leaves these little paper towel roll residue roly-polies on there. Well, after you rinse it out, and then you go to dry it off with this paper towel, like once or twice is okay to get like the big water drops off, but once you start really drying it with a paper towel, it's gonna do that. It pills up. So with that being said, I'm hoping that with the t-shirt, it prevents that from happening. And also when you use like a dish rag, it will leave lint. Even if it's a lint-free dish rag, like these are supposed to be, it will still leave tiny hairs, lint, bits and pieces of whatever's on the towel is gonna leave on the cast iron, because mine are not super duper smooth. I've not had them for decades to where they're seasoned super well, so just leaves things that you don't want on there. But until then, I am gonna try this t-shirt method and hopefully it works. I'll keep you updated.